Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Sorry I got some sun. My face is a little red, but never mind that. I thought I'd pop on here. I have a DIY video coming up at around 2 o'clock this afternoon, but I thought this morning to stick with the Cooking Friday channel, I would like to extend an invitation to all of you. I would like to invite you to an open challenge. It is a cooking challenge. And if you like cooking, if you like sharing recipes, then this is for you. The purpose of this challenge is to create a family meal for under $10. I figured we all are stuck at home, hopefully not for too much longer, but I kind of need some inspiration in what to cook, and sticking it to under $10 might be a little bit challenging, but I did search up a Pinterest, and there are tons of ideas, tons of recipes, so it might make some of you think outside the box. So you can share one recipe or 3 recipes if you wish. It doesn't really matter to me. The budget is $10 and it has to feed a family. So whether your family is of 2, of 3, 4, or more, if you can even do that, that would be great. But make sure you share the recipe either via a link or just type out the full recipe in your description box for all of us to see. Now the upload date is 29th, 8 a.m. and there are a couple simple rules to follow. So number 1, your recipe has to be for the family and it has to be under $10. Number 2, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Number 3, you have to mention my channel as well as the playlist for this challenge in your description box, and the playlist will be available in my video at 8 a.m. on the 29th in the description box. Well, I hope you guys can join me. I am looking forward to this. I would love to give people a great playlist of many different recipes to choose from. So I'm looking forward to what everybody comes up, and until next time, hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.